Play and shine. Hey, Piggy, what are we gonna do today? I don't know. What do you think we're gonna do today? Well, look over there. I see a pile of slime. Should we go play in it? Let me check it out first. Dum 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 dum. Oh my goodness! Look at this slime. It's white. Oh, let me come out there and try it out. Let me see. It smells funny. What do you think, Piggy? Should we play in it? Cowie, I'm scared. Why don't you jump in it first? Oh, okay, let me jump in it. Boing! Oh, so squishy. But it's so much fun. You try it. Okay. Look. Oh, no, I'm stuck. Help me, Cowie. I'm stuck. Please help me, Cowie. Pull me out of this slime. Oh, let me help you there. Let me just push you out. Oh, I'm still stuck, Cowie. Get me out of here. Okay, hold on. Whoosh. Oh, thank you so much, Cowie. Oh, that slime is so slimy. I got stuck in it. Oh, let me try. Boink, boink. Oh, it's so much fun. How come I'm not getting stuck in the slime? Oh, so much fun. Come on, Piggy. Come back in here into the slime. Watch. Piggy, look at me. Watch me jump. Jump, 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 jump. Oh, so much fun. Okay, let me get in there too. Piggy, will you look here? Look and see what kind of trick I can do. Let me do a backflip. Whoa, did you see that, Piggy? Did you see that? Yes, I did, Cowie. Well, look what trick I can do. I can twirl. Whee! Whee, look at me twirl. That's very impressive, Piggy. Do it again. Whee! Oh, we have so much fun today. We'll come play another day. Bye-bye.